Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off group notifications on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then get into Settings and select Notifications. Right here you can find two different sections of settings. The first one is message notifications and the second one is group notifications. So by that settings you can control notifications in the WhatsApp app, and if you want to toggle off notifications for group messages, you can just toggle this switcher off, and that will stop group notifications on WhatsApp. The same about messages and reaction notifications. You can in any time disable or enable these options. Also, right here you can set custom sound for groups and messages, so you can set different sounds by hitting add sound and selected some from suggested. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.